Hello, this is my special 4th of July nail art edition. First, paint a thin layer of white polish. Then draw an egg shape for the shape of the balloon in red. You can make other balloons in different colors as well. I have done a dark blue balloon, a silver balloon, and a gold balloon too. Now you can take a thin black striper brush and paint little squiggles as the strings for the balloons. Use a thin brush to create rectangles as the stripes for the American flag. Draw a backwards L shape to make a corner in dark blue nail polish and color it in. You can use a long thin brush to color it in or a dotting tool, whatever works for you. Lastly, add 3 stars in the blue corner to represent the stars on the American flag. These are the ones I'm using. Admire your masterpiece! Add a generous amount of top coat for all of your designs. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more. As always, if you have any questions, you can send me a message through my Gmail or my Instagram account.